friends, family, and strangers. We are on day 2 of our trip all around Ohio, doing what I was advised not to do, and that is go chasing waterfalls. That's right, we're on day 2. We're going to go see 4 more of the 10 Ohio Magazine waterfalls. But before we do that, we should probably clean out this car. That'll do, diabetes. That'll do. As you can see by the signage, free vacuums, no purchase necessary. I can feel barely anything. But what do you expect from a free vacuum? I tried the one beside it, and it sucks a lot better. The old switcheroo. So that one right there sucked really good, and this one over here sucked at sucking. By the way, today's soundtrack is The Spin Doctors. After all that cleaning, nature did call, and I had to answer that call. And when I went in there, Turkey Hill, the food smelled so good, it talked me right in to spending almost $4.50 for a little breakfast calzone thing. But you know what? As much free vacking as I've done, that's okay. And I went ahead, for the first time in history, decided to get a drink that actually helped my body instead of take away from it. A naked drink is more likely to help you want to appear naked somewhere as your body improves. Although this probably has a lot of sugar and stuff too. What are you gonna do, huh? This is actually a stromboli, which I thought was something that cleans ice. It's basically a giant pretzel with breakfast inside of it. We've made it, kinda, because there's no place to park. But anyways, we are at number 6 in Ohio Magazine, and that is Hayden Falls, located in Dublin, Ohio, which is a suburb of Columbus. Hang on, it's me, Dig. Here's a man out fishing all by his lonesome, just enjoying the day. Kind of like me, fishing for a good video. I don't know where we're going, but this looks like the way. I think I hear the sound of a mighty rushing water. I found that one immediately and was able to take my pictures immediately. something tells me the other 3 on today's leg is not going to be that easy. See all those cars? They're not in parking spaces. Neither am I. This is kind of a, what you would call, free-for-all. We have arrived to our second stop on day 2. That is waterfall number 8 in the magazine. See that? The 10 waterfalls? We're hitting them up. Number 8, Charleston Falls. Hunting is totally legal here as long as you have a permit and are only hunting shrooms. However, flower picking is unlawful. Everything appears to be under a mile. And somewhere up here, there is a tower. So, let's see. This must be the calm before the storm, because when I first came in at the trailhead, there was like 3 different huge groups of really loud, obnoxious, giggling, laughing, yelling people. There is a crap ton of people here today, so to find those small little moments when I can take my shots without a bunch of really loud, annoying people, it's hard to do, but I'm doing it because we're Ghostbusters. This looks like a track for a really cool mountain coaster. I should be riding this, not walking. And we were right there. There was the falls, and I guess we're here already. There was supposed to be an observation tower over here. I don't see no tower, dude. I'm pretty sure that was a scam. You had me at parking lot. I forgot the bug repellent in the car, so the whole time I'm walking through this field, I'm like, I wish I was a horse, had a big old whipping tail. Well, so far that trail through the field has led me to nowhere except this gazebo. Check this out, babe. With a party deck, bruh. See this? And do you see this? Nothing. Same thing on this brochure, But up here, what's it say? Observation Tower. And we walked that trail, and guess what? Nary an observation tower was found. All right, let's head to number 5 on the list, the West Milton Cascades. Took an hour to get here from the fall in Dublin, but the next one we're going to from here, luckily, it's only 20 minutes away. You know, part of the reason you may watch this is so you don't have to get in your car and spend your day and your gas to get to all these spots. But this really won't apply in the future. In the future, you'll be able to type it in, touch a button on your phone or on your forearm, and a passenger drone will be right there on your doorstep. You'll step inside, sit down, hold on to the handlebars, and like lightning, it'll zip you up off the earth and it'll fly you to the address you put in, and it'll be so fast and private and comfortable and easy. And the only thing that'll slow you down is maybe bad weather, which in that case your drone will just fly around the storm. But for now, you're stuck in this car with me. Whoa. Almost missed the turn, baby. Don't do it. Damn squirrel. A beautiful 4-lane, perfectly paved road with a huge middle lane out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. We have just entered Nashville. No, not the one you're thinking of. Nashville, Ohio. We have arrived at the West Milton Municipal Park. And it's time now to search for the West Milton Cascades. That way is the town. The article said to come through the park to see the falls. There was what sounded like 2 gunshots over here, followed by immediate laughter and applause. So hopefully those gunshots were good things. And you know me, I never miss a chance to climb up 10,000 steps. Do not climb the fence, as they used to say in Nam. The park is being recorded today for a Ludlow Nation travel video, as you can see by the signage. There was a group of people coming up the hill over there that were looking at their phones and saying, "This says we're basically right on it." So either they're looking for the same waterfall I am, or they're playing Pokemon Go. Hello, I'll take a map to the falls and a snow cone, please. Persistence pays off, my friends, because there's the coordinates right there. And apparently, it's right over there. Well, the GPS coordinates I found on that website lead to this parking lot. So, never mind, I guess. The pictures of it look cool, though. As my shins push through these nettles and get toe up, this path might only exist because enough people were confused by the info they read online and walked back here to make sure for themselves. I've now walked way into the woods on a very unmaintenanced trail. I've had to knock giant spiders right out of their web just to get back here. I'm pretty sure there's either not a waterfall back here or there's a much easier way to get to it, and I totally missed it. Can't see a waterfall, but you can get on that bus and take you a canoe ride. Way over here on the opposite corner of the park, there does appear to be a map. Let's see if we can get lucky. I see trails, but I see absolutely nothing about a waterfall. I'll sit in here and take one last look at some maps and see what I can come up with. But if I can't, then this one's a bust. At least someone made the best out of it and had some nasty little Caesar's pizza. Maybe I should just drown my sorrows in some McDonald's. West Milton McDonald's. No waterfalls. I couldn't get pickles on my McChicken, and I'm not allowed another refill. But they did serve me a delicious burger. I finally found the waterfall I've been looking for. You want to see it? I'll show it to you. Might as well. Came all this way and looked around for 2 hours for no reason. Here it is. All right, on to the next one. Okay, we're here at the last stop of the day. Fingers crossed this one ends up a little bit better than the last stop. Because if not, we're going home at 50% success rate. Once again, all I've done is go to the exact address provided in the article in Ohio Magazine. So let's hope this one is correct. Just remember, don't get caught swimming and don't eat yellow snow. This one might be my favorite so far in this whole trip. One, it's actually here at the address provided in the magazine, and it's really loud, really wide, very active, the most so far. And my favorite, I get it all to myself. By the way, if I didn't tell you, this is in Ludlow Falls, Ohio. This one's actually here, so come check it out. That wraps it up for today. 3 out of 4, I'll take it. Can't remember whether we're going up or down tomorrow, but those are our only 2 options. Sit tight, because tomorrow we're doing this again. We got more to see on the list of the 10 waterfalls featured in Ohio Magazine.